What if the next AI investment winner isn't another GPU company? Every time you use ChatGPT, stream a video, or run an AI model, enormous amounts of data must move between chips. The problem is, traditional electrical connections are becoming a bottleneck. That's why many technology companies are investing heavily in silicon photonics, a technology that uses light instead of electricity to move data. And for investors, this could become one of the most important semiconductor themes of the next decade. Silicon photonics integrates optical components directly onto a silicon chip. Instead of sending data as electrical signals through copper traces, it sends data as light pulses through optical waveguides. This provides several advantages: higher bandwidth, lower power consumption, longer transmission distances, and reduced heat generation. A useful analogy is this: electricity is like moving water through pipes. Silicon photonics is like moving information through laser beams. Modern AI clusters contain thousands of GPUs. These GPUs must exchange massive amounts of data continuously. As AI models grow larger, the communication between chips becomes almost as important as the chips themselves. Large language models require enormous data movement. AI training clusters need ultra-fast networking, and power consumption has become a critical constraint. Silicon photonics helps solve all three problems. Investors should understand that silicon photonics is not a single company story. The ecosystem includes design and IP providers, foundry manufacturers, optical engine suppliers, networking system companies, and AI infrastructure providers. The winners may emerge from multiple layers of this value chain. First, NVIDIA. Beyond GPUs, the company is building integrated AI networking solutions. Second, Marvell Technology. Marvell has strong exposure to cloud and optical connectivity markets. Third, Coherent, one of the major suppliers of optical communication components. Fourth, TSMC. TSMC benefits from industry-wide adoption because it manufactures advanced silicon photonics chips for customers. And finally, Cisco Systems. Cisco is expanding its role in AI networking infrastructure. Of course, investors should also consider the risks. Adoption may take longer than expected. Manufacturing complexity remains high, competition is intense, and valuations in many AI-related stocks are already elevated. Silicon photonics is promising, but it is not guaranteed to become a massive profit generator for every company involved. Silicon photonics is becoming a critical enabling technology for the AI era. The biggest opportunity may not be a single pure-play company, but a group of companies across the optical networking and semiconductor supply chain. If AI data centers continue to expand over the next 5 to 10 years, demand for high-speed optical interconnects could grow significantly. For long-term investors, silicon photonics is a theme worth monitoring closely, not as a guaranteed winner, but as a potentially important infrastructure layer behind the future of AI. However, investing has risks. Please do your own study and analysis. This video is just mere for education purpose only. Any loss will not bear by this video. If you found this analysis useful, subscribe to Skylar Talk for more semiconductor and AI investment insights.